guys, welcome to Padhai Masti. Today I'm gonna teach you Chapter 7 Conservation of Plants and Animals, Class 8 Science NCERT book. First of all, like this video, subscribe and share as much as you can. So let's start the video. Please see and understand the highlighted one because I have highlighted it because it's all important for the exam. So let's start. 7.1 Deforestation and its causes. A major threat to survival of this organism is deforestation. Trees in the forest are cut for some purposes mentioned below, and I have highlighted it. Procuring land for cultivation, building houses and factories, making furniture or using wood. So let's go to 7.2 Consequence of deforestation. Deforestation increases the temperature and pollution level on the earth. It increases the level of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Groundwater level also gets lowered. Deforestation disturbs the balance in nature. These all are the demerits of deforestation. So this is the second page. Now we are going to read the 7.2 same one. The increase in temperature on the earth disturb the water cycle and may reduce rainfall. This could cause droughts. Okay, if the increase in temperature on the earth disturbs the water cycle and may reduce the rainfall and could cause droughts. The fertile and land gets converted into deserts. It is called desertification. Now let's come to the next orange part of 7.3 Conservation of forest and wildlife. Biosphere is a part of the earth in which living organisms exist or which supports life. Biological diversity or biodiversity refers to the variety of organisms existing on the earth, their interrelationship and their relationship with the environment. Next one is the protects our flora and fauna, their habitats. Protected area called wildlife sanctuary, national park and biosphere reserves have been earmarked. Plantation cultivation, grazing, felling trees, hunting and poaching are provided their wildlife sanctuary, areas where animals are protected from any disturbance to them and their habitat. National park, area reserved for wildlife where they can freely use the habitats and natural resources. Biosphere reserve, large area of protected land for conservation of wildlife, plant and animal resources and traditional life of the tribals living in area. This is our third page, and 7.4 Biosphere Reserve. Now I have underlined that biosphere reserve are the area meant for conservation of body diversity. Body diversity is a variety of plant, animals and microorganisms generally found in an area. The biosphere reserves help to maintain the biodiversity and culture of that area. Panchamari Biosphere Reserve consists of one national park named Saptapura and two wildlife sanctuary named Bora and Panchamari. Guys, one work is there for you. You will try to fill the table 7.1 Protected Area for Conservation. Please fill this table and comment me if you have done it. So guys, this is the fourth page where we came. Now 7.5 Flora and Fauna. The topic name is Flora and Fauna. The plant and animals found in particular area are termed flora and fauna respectively of that area. That figure 7.2, you have to find out that, and the names are also, answer are also written in the figure 7.2 के side में लिखा हुआ है. Now I am reading up. Sal, tick, mango, jamun, silver fawns, arjun, etc. are the flora, and chinkara, blue bull, barking deer, cheetal, leopard, wild dog, wolf, etc. are the example of fauna of the Panchamari Biosphere Reserve, which I told in the previous page, the Panchamari. So guys, come to our fifth page. Now we are gonna read 7.6 endemic species. Endemic species are those species of the plants and animals which are found executively in a particular area. A particular type of animal or plant may be endemic to the zone, a state, or a country. So, in the second para, it's written that species is a group of population which are capable of interbreeding. This means that the member of the species can reproduce fertile offsprings. Only the member of their own species are not with the member of other species. Member of species have common characteristic. So let's come to our sixth page. So guys, welcome to our sixth page. This is 7.7 Wildlife Sanctuary. Wildlife Sanctuary like reserve forest provide protection and suitable living condition to wild animals. Wildlife sanctuary are allowed to certain activities such as grazing by the livestock, collecting medically plants, firewood, etc. Some of the threatened wild animals like black buck, white-eyed buck, you have to remember these names actually, elephant, golden cat, pink-headed duck, gharilia, mars crocodile, python, rhinoceros, etc. are protected by preserved in our wildlife sanctuaries. Indian sanctuaries have unique landscapes, broad level forest, mountain forests, and brush lands in deltas of a big rivers. Reserves are large and diverse enough to protect whole set of ecosystems. The preserve flora and fauna, landscape and historic object of an area. Saptatura National Park is the first reserve forest of India. The finest Indian teak is found in this forest. There are more than 100 national parks in India. So good to say that there are more than 100 national parks in India. Rock shelters are also found inside the Saptatura National Park. These are evidence of prehistoric human life is this jungles. This gives us an idea of the life of primitive people. Rock paintings are found in these shelters. A total of 55 rock shelters have been identified in Panchamari Biosphere Reserves. Animal and men fighting, hunting, dancing, and playing musical instruments are depicted in the paintings. Many tribals still live in this area. Let's come to our next Project Tiger. Project Tiger is the name of a tiger was launched by the government to protect the tiger in the country. So let's come to our seventh page. This is the seventh page. So let's start again. First look after the picture. 7.4 Tiger. This is a tiger picture. Let's read now. Animals, those numbers are diminishing to the level that they might face extinction, are known as endangered animal. You all have might have read in the previous classes that what are endangered animal. So now also we are telling her animal those number are diminishing means जिसका number जिसका means count करने में जिसका थोड़ा कम हुआ, they are called endangered animal. An ecosystem is made for all plants and animal and microorganism in an area along with the non-living components such as climate, soil, river deltas, etc. Let's come to our next page, that is page number 8, and let's read again 7.9 Red Data Book. Red Data Book is a source book which keeps a record all the endangered animals and plants. Red Data Book is maintained internationally by the organization. India also maintains Red Data Book for the plants and animals found in India. It's so good to say that India is also maintaining it. So let's come to our next para. Migratory birds fly too far always areas every year during a particular time because the climate changes. They fly for laying eggs as weather in their natural habitat becomes very cold, inhospitable. Birds who cover long distances to reach another land known as migratory bird. Sorry guys, I have by mistakenly underlined that as pehli. Ignore that and let's come to our ninth page. So guys, now let's read the page number 9, 7.12. 1. 2. Reforestation. The planted trees should generally be to the same species which are found in the forest. We should plant at least as many trees as we cut. Reforestation can take place naturally. Also, if the deforested area is left undisturbed, it re-establishes itself. So let's come to our 10th page, and it's nothing but let's read again. Actually guys, this is a recapitulation for you all. You all go through it. If any doubt, please ask me in the comment. Please share this video to everyone of your family and say to watch till end, and let me know what all chapters you are going through now and what all chapters should I upload, so you will all be helpful. So let's know in the comment. We all are family, so please subscribe, share and like to my channel.